Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perrymark, analyst at Handtech Markets on Wednesday the 17th of May. Looking at cable. Cable's an odd one. Dollar has been generally weaker, but I think sort of sterling is a bit of an underperformer within that weakness. Certainly compared to the other forex majors anyway. I mean, look at the fact that euro dollar burst out yesterday. Three strong bull candles in a row in euro dollar, not in any way the same with cable. Very, very marginal gains in the last few days. Very weak, sort of wishy-washy candles. Big, long upper tails. Or upper shadows in the last sort of couple of sessions, creeping higher, I'd say, rather than bursting higher, and it sort of still plays into this narrative, I think, of a range play. Really, you've got the higher lows within that range play, which gives you the bullish bias, which suggests maybe you're looking for a positioning of testing that 29.90 rally high. But you look at these momentum indicators, they're sort of okay. Stochastics just turned up again actually, but the MACD lines are sort of still reversing. And I think generally speaking, you're still sort of in the mindset of buying into weakness. I do not deny that, but I just think that this is a range that could continue. Yesterday's high 29.57 is initially resistance, before 29.90. But just look on the hourly chart, and it doesn't really give you all that much confidence that it's going to be sort of bursting significantly higher. Just playing the range really. Momentum indicators fairly sort of indicative of a range play. RSI sort of buzzing between sort of 30 and 70 on the hourly, even tighter in recent days, 40 and 60 area. Stochastics just rolling over on the hourly as well. So yeah, we've just had out the UK wage growth actually, which just dipped slightly, and just suggests there is further pressure on real wages on the negative side. So it's still, I think, likely to sort of maintain a fairly dovish outlook really. You could argue unemployment falling is sort of not dovish, but I think that the concern is inflation, and also real wages now being negative is not great for that sort of potential hawkish lean from the Bank of England. So I think, generally speaking, cable is going to be subjected to this sort of continued range play. Sterling likely to be an underperformer across the majors. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.